Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. I got something pretty cool over here on the box. I got the Wireless Pro from RØDE. It's 32-bit float recording wireless microphones. Time code sync. It has all the bells and whistles that are needed to record wirelessly. Pretty good quality audio because some of you guys pointed out that my audio was bad. So here I am investing in this channel, believing in what I'm doing and just, trying to improve the quality of the overall experience for the audience. So here I have this guy. I don't know. I never tried it. I'm just going to open it up and see what is in the box. And just do, quick unboxing and giving you a couple of informations about this kit right over here. Comes with this box. You open up, you get two little containers, USB-C cable, and some leaflet instructions, which we probably don't care. Anyways, we got these two guys, USB-C, pretty thick, 5 gigabits per second, 60 watts cable, which we can just leave it there. So in the box you get two little cases. One is an accessory case and the other is just like a charging case, and they are different because of the of course attachment on the back. In this guy, and I have to say the finish quality, it's pretty good. Feels like kind of leather. It's nicely made, and this is like a rubberized zipper, so pretty cool, pretty useful to bring with you. So inside you're gonna find these two USB-C cable and lightning, so you can use it with iPhone, older iPhone and newer iPhone, so you're pretty good to go for smartphone connectivity. You get two MagClips, which are these guys. So pretty much you have a magnetic part, which is this one, which is rubberized, so it's not going to be scratching anything because it's pretty soft. These clips are metal and these are add-on, so you clip these on and you have two, and they of course attract each other. Anyways, or repel, anyways, you get these guys. These are useful, of course, if you want to attach it on the plastic clip. This is just a microfiber cloth that just, it might be useful to clean up everything. And then you have like this little flap that divides the first case. You get some other instructions, and then you get two Lavalier mics. Very nice. Of course, the mic, you see on this side, it's just closed. On the other side, it's open, and this is the side you want to apply facing outward and not inward. Also, these are screwable, so you can actually safely lock in place the mic to the unit that I'm going to show you in a second. So you get two Lavalier right over here, and underneath this little case you get some silica gel branded, which is nice. You get some stickers. Then there's this kit right over here, extra like spare parts for the ring if you are going to happen to lose them. And then you have two of the hooks, clips that you can use to, of course, for the Lavalier only. You can use them to attach it to your lapel, to your jacket or cloth or whatever. And they also come with this little foamy tops for like for the wind, of course, and they just clip on. Make sure when you remove it that you're gonna check where the mic is, otherwise it's gonna be muffled. So little accessory box for the Lavalier as well. Then you have the cable to connect it to your DSLR, which is pretty useful, of course. You get a cable right over there. And then what else you get? Of course, you get 3 furry like that for so 1, 2, and then you get, where's the third? So 1, 2. So there's, oh, sorry, 3. There's 2, of course, for the 2 Lavalier, which have this attachment right over here. And there's 3 for these guys, muffled, with the magnets. I believe these are magnets that are just going into the units that I'm going to show you in a second. So, and that is it. Nothing else more into the case right over here. So it's pretty packed of accessories, with accessories. And finally, the thing you all been waiting for, this is the main unit, which comes, as I said, in a charging case. And inside you have neatly arranged the 2 transmitter, and they're marked TX1 and TX2. And of course, you have the receiver right over here. So when you, let's just remove this thing. So when you take it out, they just self-pair. And it's incredible. So this is a pretty cool case, very well made. Don't try to disassemble that. It's very nicely done. This is the stuff that comes within the box. You get these 3 units, 2. So I just want to show you this piece over here. This is a microphone, and right over here you have this thing, which you just pop it kind of like that. Need to be like a little bit cleaner as you do it, like that. Push it down and exactly, and twist it. So it's not gonna go anywhere. It's just attached like so. Pretty cool. You can use this to charge, of course. You have some informations, some settings you can access with this button right over here. It's going to show if it's recording, if it's connected. So anyways, this is for the wind. You get pretty much everything you need to have in order to start shooting pretty pro-level audio wirelessly onto your phone. Personally, I'm going to use phone and smartphones and cameras. So this kit just works with both, and it's perfect. It's not a cheap one. I believe it's like $350. So yeah, it's not a cheap kit for sure, but it's pretty complete. You have 2 mics, 2 Lavalier. You have the receiver. It's wireless. All the muffles, all the all the cables that you might need. They're there. So it's a pretty cool setup indeed. And the features are, state of the art, I would say, 2.4 gigahertz transmission, 128-bit encryption for the encryption of the data. Sorry. It's pretty much compatible with everything. 32-bit float on-board recording also. I mean, it's pretty cool. You can recover clipped or quiet audio files. Like in the case of my low volume audio file, I could have saved it maybe with this thing. Of course, time code capability is going to be there. 32 gigabyte internal memory, and you have pretty much 40 hours of content you can record here. It's crazy. You have locking 3.5 millimeters TRS connectors. I mean, this is super reliable and secure connection. You can monitor the headphone, with the onboard level control. I mean, it's amazing. It's very, very complete. Plug-in power, of course, all the accessories, super easy to configure. I mean, for me, it was a no-brainer. As I'm starting, this new channel, I wanted to start with some pretty cool audio and videos, and it's a hobby for me. I love to do it, and I if I have a good response from you guys, if you like this kind of videos, I'm just gonna make more because I'm enjoying doing this. And by the way, nobody paid me to do this or to buy this. I used my own money. All the gear you see on this channel, it's my property. I purchased with my money throughout the years of shooting professionally photography, because it's going to be around 30 years that I'm shooting professionally as a photographer. So normally I acquired a lot of gear throughout the years, and I love to share my impressions with you because I like gear, I like taking photographs, and I think it's one of the best hobbies around there. In my case, photography. It's fantastic. It's perfect. And if you pair it with some analog film photography, you're gonna reach nirvana. That's the true enjoyment of photography. And this kit is gonna help me through my videos, improving maybe the audio, I hope, when I'm on location, especially to share my impressions with you during my my time outside, outdoor, and maybe, hopefully, with a better audio. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.